Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Square webhook signatures for fraud prevention, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Square webhook signatures, begin by logging into your Square developer account. Navigate to the Webhooks section in your dashboard. Create a new webhook or select an existing one for which you want to authenticate signatures. Locate the signing key for your webhook in the dashboard. This signing key will be essential for verifying the webhook requests. Next, set up your server to receive incoming webhook requests from Square. When a request is received, extract the signature from the request headers. The signature will be found in the Square signature header. Additionally, retrieve the body of the request for use in the verification process. It's crucial to ensure that the body is the exact payload received without any modifications. Now, generate a hash using the signing key and the request body. Use HMACSHA1 as the hashing algorithm for this process. Make sure to encode the resulting hash in hexadecimal format. After this, compare the generated hash to the signature retrieved from the headers. If both the hash and the signature match, you can trust that the request is authentic. In case of a mismatch, discard the request and take necessary security measures. Implement logging to track any unauthorized access attempts for future reference. Finally, ensure that your webhook handling logic properly processes authenticated requests. By following these steps, you can effectively authenticate Square webhook signatures to prevent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.